When I was cleaning up the kitchen, I found a small pot lid that was not in use and had no damage. It was a pity to throw it away. Looking at the small glass, my 1,000-word anti-wolf DNA moved again. I still have a lot of line drawings left over from the last time. I made the 1,000 words anti-wolf box, and the full size is suitable. I think this is still the case. I like this little bird. First, cut off the excess and stick it on the glass cover. The hole in the handle of the pot lid is right up to the bird's belly. Use hot melt glue to seal it, otherwise sand will leak out. When the time comes, the traces will be gone, after being blocked with colored sand. After the preparations are done, it's time to enter the familiar moment of liver explosion. It's been a long time since I've done it. Now the little flower below is practicing to get familiar with the process. Not bad, not bad. Our work experience is still the same as before. I want to pinch the middle bird first. The bird takes up too much of the painting, and just straight lines are not vivid enough. I just cut a lot of small lines to imitate the hair flu, put them together one by one, and outline the lines. Sure enough, when the hair flu is severe, it becomes more vivid. The most important part was successful, leaving only the simpler ones. It's just that the patterns are so small and dense that I'm almost blinded by them. The lines are very tight. I just cut them. I didn't even know where to put whatever I just cut off. Although it takes a lot of effort, it is also really beautiful. Almost finished. The lid of the pot next to it still needs to be blocked. I used twist wire to wrap around it 3 times and finally spent 12 hours on it. This little bird is still very vivid pigment. Can I still use the leftover paint from last time? The branches are still dark brown and the leaves are dark green and grass green. This flower seems to be a camellia. I ordered it in a color similar to that of a camellia. Use this first. This color, according to the dark and light colors in the picture, first outline the dark brown part. There is also a part of light brown red. Add white and red and mix it. Dot on top of brown and belly. Just fill these parts with white. The wings are mainly yellow and brown. Finished. This wouldn't have taken me 12 hours. This is the most beautiful bird I have ever pinched. It's just that it doesn't have a window, so it can't let in light. Suddenly I remembered that I also have 2 strings of small lights that can be placed behind to let in light. Wow, this effect seems to be amazing. It's just that the light from the string lights is too scattered. I'll twist it into a small picture for use. It means that the entire back panel needs to be fixed with lights. There is a piece of decorative painting that I no longer need, which can be used as a backing board. Use scissors to cut along the drawn edges. Make a hole in the middle for the light string to come in. This way the light string can be passed through from the back. The body of the bird can just cover it. Use hot glue to glue the lid and base together. You seal the border again. Otherwise, it would be too ugly if the glue is leaking. Today's happiness will be given by Frank next time. Is it time to consider making a headlight? If you like my work, please like the video. And for future work, do subscribe.